What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. We are about to head off. It is 5 in the morning and we are going to the LZ World Tour at Castle Combe. We need to go get fuel, so we go do that and then on our way. So we have now made it to Castle Combe Circuit. It was quite a long drive. I started to not feel very well on the way up. I'm a bit 50-50 on how long I'm going to stay because I feel really weird. I feel a bit sick, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I'm going to try and film as much as you can. There might not be too much talking. If there is, I've perked up a bit, I'm feeling okay. We're going to have a look at the cars, we're going to have a look at what everyone's brought, the drifting, hopefully see some cool people. I'd love to see Jimmy Oakes, that would be wicked. But apart from that, I don't know what's coming next, but please enjoy the video. Real quick interjection. R32 4 doors, I actually really like them. Don't know what engine this has got. Usually they come with, I think, an RB20, so like a 2-litre RB. So still 6-cylinder, but they look really cool, they're practical, they sound good. I wouldn't start it like this, but you get the idea.
They just enjoyed himself and they're going to make his way back down. Okay, so next step. Second gear.
What's going on, everyone? So obviously, thank you so much for watching. That is all the stuff that I had from yesterday, because I'm editing this on the day after you saw all that footage. So I actually ended up leaving a little bit early. I watched the first round of qualifying, and then I started to hit a brick wall. I had like 4 hours of sleep the night before after a busy week at work. And then obviously I wasn't feeling very well, which is why there's like no talking. And I know that some people like to just listen to the cars and watch the cars and just hear what they sound like. So that's why there wasn't any audio. So I just thought, chill out, relax, try and like enjoy the drifting if you weren't able to go and see it, or if it hasn't been on anyone else's YouTube videos. I just wanted to say as well, I appreciate all of your guys' support. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have made it this far, thank you so much. You're a real OG. One thing I wanted to ask was, what would you like to see? Winter's coming up. I have got a trip to Japan, as you may have seen in the last video. And I think I'm gonna end all of my videos with like sort of a talking bit where like it's just sort of me, maybe, for the time being. But what would you guys be interested in seeing? Because I've got a lot of stories of Japan. I've got a lot of stuff from Japan where people have asked me questions and would like to know more. Also, if you have seen my Instagram, my Japanese is getting quite okay from my last time in Japan. So if you wanted to see some Japanese videos or how I learned Japanese tips, anything like that, please let me know. Comment down below what it is that you would like to see, and give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Anyway, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Peace out and stay lucky.